In this video today, I'm going to be telling you all of these new items and promo codes that you can redeem right now. And I have one or two promo codes in here which might give you some free Robux. I also have a little method that can also give you free Robux. So this is going to be a short video where we cut straight to the point of all the new promo codes and one or two ways how to get some free Robux. So firstly, let me tell you all of the working promo codes, and yeah, let's just get into it. So the first one you guys probably know is 100 years of NFL, and then just hit redeem. Promo code successfully redeemed. So what this gives you is, if I go into my avatar now, you can see that the golden football is now into my inventory. So that's what 100 years of NFL gives you. But before we get into the next promo codes, let me just tell you a free Roblox website / promo code / method which will change your life in Roblox. So you want to go into your Google. You want to type in rbxstorm.com, and once you're in, you want to press start earning and then submit your username to my one, and you should just log into a new account. You don't need to enter your password, no scamming, nothing like that. But yeah, so Robux earned by you is 0 at the moment, but you can earn Robux on these offers like this, which is the easiest way to earn free Robux, and it works. So if you do what you need to do on this app, it will give you 672 Robux. It might take if you got a little Robux amount, it will normally show up straight away, but if you do a big Robux amount, it might take like a couple hours to appear in your account. But thanks to the owner of this website, which the links to this will be in the pinned comment down below, and then also to get a quick couple Robux, hit promo codes here, and then on the promo code type in a big man Dave 123 and hit claim promo code, and you have claimed a new promo code. Hit OK, and if I refresh, I should get another 1 Robux. That's a good way to start off earning Robux in the rbxstorm.com. There's different offer walls, you can join the Discord, everything like that. You can enter the giveaway, and once you've got enough Robux, you want to hit withdraw and then press claim Robux. It will tell you to join a group. Just join the group, and then it'll press it again, and however much Robux you've earned from earning it onto the earn page right here, that account appear into your Robux balance when you refresh. But I've only got 1 Robux. I'll earn some offers later, but now I just want to tell you guys the promo codes in this video. So RBX Storm, link in pinned comment, go on that right now if you want to get some free, easy, quick Robux, and to use the code BigManDave123. But let's get into the promo codes. So the next 2 working promo codes, as well as 100 years of NFL, is a tweet Roblox. You guys probably know this one, but hit redeem, and promo code successfully redeemed. And the final one you guys want to type in is simply Spider Cola. Hit redeem, promo code successfully redeemed. And now if I go into my avatar, this is a completely new account, and I already have 3 new items that not many people will start with, apart from us, because you've watched this video. But anyway, let me show you guys some more free items you guys can get right now. So as you guys may know, if you go into the catalog, press all featured items, and then up here press low to high. There is plenty of new items out. Look how many new free items Roblox has added for all of the people without Roblox like us, and some of these are really cool. So for example, the new items I think are these international fedoras, these headphones right here, and the Layla's racing hat, and Tony's glasses, and the drone I think are and Echo's hat are the new items you can get for completely free. So just buy now, and all of these are free items you can get. So once you've done all of this, you can then head into your Roblox avatar, and once you're in your Roblox avatar, you will see all of these new items you can get, and as well as earning some free Robux from rbxstorm.com, link in pinned comment, you will be able to make your avatar look insane for completely free. So as you can see right here, I have made myself a quick, easy avatar, spending 0 Robux at all. And don't forget, if you do want to buy some Robux items, you can just head over to the website I mentioned earlier, which will be in the pinned comment down below. And yeah, you can copy this avatar if you want. It's completely free. So yeah, just comment your username down below, because I'm also doing a giveaway. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel with post notifications on, and like this video. And yeah, goodbye.